Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can back up in OneDrive. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on my desktop on my computer. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open File Explorer. If you don't find it here in your desktop, just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Open, and then you're going to be here in this page. Once you're here, as you can see guys, in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the Home section, Gallery, and here you're going to find OneDrive. Go ahead and right click on OneDrive. Then here you're going to find all of these options. Here you can copy it, expand it, open it in new tab, open a new window. And here you're going to find the option to always keep it on this device, free up space, and here you're going to find OneDrive. Go ahead and click on OneDrive. And then right here you're going to find View Online, Settings, and Folder Color. Right now, go ahead and click on Settings. And then right here you're going to find Sync and Backup, Accounts, Notifications, and About. First of all, click on Account and make sure you have this PC linked. If not, you're going to find here the option to link this PC. Click on it in order to link your computer, and then go to Sync and Backup. And right now, if you want to enable backup on your device, go ahead and click on Manage Backup for this option. Backup important PC folders to OneDrive. Click on Manage Backup, and then you can enable backup for all of these options. You can enable backup for documents, pictures, desktop, music, and videos. After you enable these options, go ahead and click on Save Changes, and then you can also enable backup for these options, saving photos and videos from devices, and also saving screenshots you capture to OneDrive. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.